Welcome, everyone, to the greatest eating competition ever, Amoeba versus Paramecium. Who's the fastest foodie in the pond? Speed is overrated. I make my own hands whenever I want.
Wait, you don't even have hands.
Exactly.
Amoeba surrounds its food with pseudopodia, forming a food vacuole where digestion takes place.
Homemade food delivery!
Move aside, slow-mo. Watch a professional.
Paramecium uses thousands of tiny cilia to create water currents. Food enters through the oral groove, then forms a food chase food. My cilia bring it to me.
We're being vacuumed!
Slow and steady still gets lunch. Let's compare the amoeba and the paramecium. One engulfs food, while the other sweeps it in. One changes shape, but the slipper shape stays fixed. Remember this, amoeba hugs its food, paramecium's its food. Vacuums its food. Different methods, same goal, getting nutrition. Now you'll never forget the difference between amoeba and paramecium.